All right, so this is a different office for today. There was some water damage here, and the remediation company came and made flood cuts. So we're gonna have to do some drywall finishing here. There's a footing down here on the bottom. That's why there's no screws down there. They left this for me to hang. And they also left this for me to hang. So I'll take care of that. We're gonna have to also address where they removed the trim. And the trim won't hide that. All in all, we got some work here. Okay, so then the work continues into the laundry room. The laundry room, I believe, goes behind here. Yep. All right, and then this is kind of like an orange peel. So we'll do an orange peel in here, and then we will do a knockdown texture in the garage conversion. This used to be a garage, and they converted it into living space. It's actually really nice. We just got to bring it up to speed. Bam. All right, guys, so I went through, as you see, this needed a bunch of nails. We had to score the back of that because it was supposed to be 1/4 inch. As you can see, alongside all of the door jambs, I beefed it up with more screws. Unfortunately, it was not hung the way that it should have been. So before we put our tape and our mud on it, as you can see, I had to screw down all of the bull nose more. All of the butt joints got screwed in better. You see that? Look at all these screws. You see, you gotta do the prep work first, because once we put mud on it, we buy it. And we're not gonna put mud on anything that isn't right, because that's just how we get down. We do it right from the beginning. Progress report, bam. All right, guys, so this is the progress report. We went ahead and re-screwed everything down. We went through, we started meshing. We can't finish though, because we ran out of mesh. But as you can see, I re-screwed all the screws, all the door jambs, all the butt joints. They got more screws put in. It's all nice and tight. You can see what we did here. And then we also got this done in here. We screwed that down nice and tight. Put a little bead in there. And we're gonna take care of this on Monday. Bam. All right, guys, this is Monday morning. This is our office for today. We started this on, I believe it was, when was it? Thursday of last week. Couldn't get to it until now. We're gonna button it up. We're gonna do all the masking. All right, guys, we're ready to spray some texture. Put a couple coats. We did the finishing. We blended the edges. Again, no sanding. This is gonna be a medium knockdown. Looks really good. We are ready. Took care of the laundry room. The laundry room is gonna be smooth wall. Check it out. This is the toilet room. We're gonna spray in there as well. The This is nice and smooth wall. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's go. All right, guys. We got everything sprayed. We knocked down. I'm gonna go through, take off all the masking, scrape the floors. Came out nice. I'm gonna get all this masking off. All right, guys, got this job done. We got it all cleaned up. We got it all sprayed. We always work with the light, but we knocked it out. Looks beautiful. We matched this knockdown texture. Yep, we sure did. All right, guys, check it out. Looks good. Another job well done. We left those windows open to air it out. In here, we sprayed as well. As you can see, they're about to have a bathroom remodel. They're about to take care of the tile. And we also took care of the laundry room. Nice and smooth. Good work. Bam.